Emma, why do holiday sales make me buy things I don't need? I went out for socks and came home with a blender.
Holiday shopping is dangerous. Hey everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake, and my wallet is crying.
Today, we're teaching you English for holiday shopping so you can survive the biggest shopping season of the year.
Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas chaos, it's all here.
And we invited two friends, Emily and Den, to act out real shopping conversations.
Let's get into the chaos.
Make sure to subscribe for more fun English lessons. All right, let's start with 10 must-know holiday shopping words. Jake, ready?
Ready to spend money I don't have.
First word, gift set. This is a collection of items sold together, usually wrapped nicely.
Like a box full of things?
Exactly. I bought a skincare gift set for my mom.
Perfect. What's next?
Discount or sale. This means the price is reduced. This shirt is on sale, 30% off.
My favorite words in any language.
Next, limited stock. It means there aren't many items left.
So, panic and buy immediately?
Pretty much. Then we have wrapping paper, the colorful paper you use to wrap gifts.
I'm terrible at wrapping. It always looks like a sad burrito.
That's why we also have checkout, where you pay. Exchange, when you return an item for a different one. Receipt, the paper that proves you bought something.
I always lose my receipts.
That's dangerous during holiday shopping. Next, in-store means shopping in a physical shop. Online means shopping on a website.
Online is dangerous. One click and your money disappears.
True. Then, out of stock. The item is sold out. And finally, wish list, a list of things you want to buy.
My wish list is longer than my grocery list.
Mine too. Now, let's see these words in action. Emily and Den are in a gift store.
Hi, I'm looking for a gift set for my sister. Do you have any skincare sets?
Yes, we have a few options. This one is on sale, 25% off.
Perfect. Is it in stock?
Let me check. Yes, but we have limited stock. Only 3 left.
Oh no, I'll take it. Do you offer gift wrapping?
Yes, we do. It's free for purchases over $50.
Great. And can I get a receipt just in case I need to exchange it?
Of course. You can exchange it within 30 days. Just bring your receipt.
Awesome. I'll check out now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy holidays.
That sounded so smooth.
It did. Let's break it down. Emily asked, "Do you have any skincare sets?" That's a polite way to ask if something is available.
And then said, "We have limited stock." That creates urgency.
Exactly. Emily also asked, "Can I offer gift wrapping?" That's super useful during the holidays.
I need that question. My wrapping skills are not good.
And notice Emily said, "Can I get a receipt?" Always ask for receipts during holiday shopping in case you need to return or exchange something.
Smart. Now let's learn more phrases.
Now let's learn essential phrases you'll hear and use constantly during holiday shopping.
I'm taking notes.
First, customer phrases. If you're shopping and want to ask questions, say, "Do you have this in a different size? Is this on sale? Can I return this after the holidays? Do you offer gift wrapping? I'm looking for a gift for my friend, mom, dad."
I'm looking for a gift for my friend who has everything.
That's a tough one. Now, here are phrases store workers use. "We're out of stock." "It comes in a gift set." "Let me check in the back." "Holiday discount applies at checkout."
Let me check in the back. Does anything ever come from the back?
Sometimes it depends. Now, Jake, try this. You want to know if something is on sale. What do you say?
Is this cheap?
Not quite. Say, is this on sale? Or is there a discount?
Oh, is this on sale? That sounds way better.
Exactly. And if you want gift wrapping, don't say, do you wrap humans?
Wait, I was about to ask that.
Say, do you offer gift wrapping? Much better.
Got it. Professional and polite.
Perfect. Now let's see a chaotic Black Friday scene with Emily and Den.
Excuse me, do you have this jacket in a medium?
Let me check in the back. Sorry, we're out of stock in medium. We only have large and extra large left.
Oh no. Is this on sale at least?
Yes, 40% off. Holiday discount applies at checkout.
Okay, I'll take the large. Can I return it if it doesn't fit?
Yes, but you'll need your receipt. Returns are accepted within 14 days after the holidays.
Perfect. Do you offer gift wrapping?
Unfortunately, gift wrapping is only available for purchases over $100.
That's fine. I'll wrap it myself. Can I check out here?
Yes, the line is pretty long, but it moves fast. Happy holidays.
Thanks. You too.
That was so realistic. I felt the holiday shopping stress.
Right? Let's talk about what happened. Emily asked, do you have this in a medium? That's the perfect way to ask for a different size.
And Dan said, we're out of stock in medium. That's when you panic.
Exactly. Then Emily asked, can I return it if it doesn't fit? That's smart shopping.
And Dan said, you'll need your receipt. See, receipts are important.
Always. And notice the pronunciation. Out of stock sounds like out of stock when spoken fast.
Out of stock. Got it.
Great. Now let's talk about online shopping. Online shopping is huge during the holidays. Let's learn key phrases.
This is where I spend all my money.
Me too. First phrase, add to cart. This means putting an item in your online shopping basket.
Add to cart. And then regret it later.
Exactly. Next, it arrives in 3 to 5 business days. This tells you when your order will come.
Always too long when you're excited.
True. Then we have free shipping over $50. This means you don't pay delivery fees if your order is over $50.
That's when I buy 20 things I don't need just to get free shipping.
Classic mistake. Next, track my order. This lets you see where your package is.
I check this every 5 minutes.
Same. Then, flash sale. A very short sale, usually a few hours. Limited time offer. The deal won't last long.
Basically, buy now or regret forever.
Exactly. Now, if you need help, you can contact customer support. Say, when will my order arrive? Can I change my shipping address? Is this item still available? I didn't receive a confirmation email.
Where is my package? I've been waiting for 2 days.
Be patient, Jake. But yes, those phrases work.
Online shopping stresses me out now.
That's why we practice. Now, let's do a quick practice round. All right, practice time. I'll give you a situation, and Jake, you respond. Emily and Den will check if you're correct.
I'm ready.
Situation 1. You want to ask if a sweater is on sale. What do you say?
Is this sweater cheap because it's ugly?
No.
Try again.
Is this on sale?
Perfect.
Good. Situation 2. You want gift wrapping. What do you say?
Do you offer gift wrapping?
Yes, that's right. Excellent. Situation 3. You want to return something. What do you say?
Can I return this after the holidays?
Perfect.
You're learning fast. Last one. You're shopping online and the item arrives in 5 days. What does that mean?
It means I'll check my email 50 times a day until it arrives.
That's accurate.
True, but the phrase is, it arrives in 3 to 5 business days.
Got it.
All right, let's recap. Today you learned holiday shopping vocabulary, gift set, discount, limited stock, wrapping paper, checkout, exchange, receipt, out of stock, and wish list.
And I learned that free shipping is a trap that makes you buy too much.
So true. Emily, Den, thank you for the amazing examples.
This was so fun. Happy holiday shopping, everyone.
Yeah, good luck out there.
You'll need it.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more practical English lessons.
Next episode, English for returning items politely. You'll need this after holiday shopping.
Because, let's be honest, not every gift is perfect.
Or the right size.
See you in the next episode.
Happy holidays!